Welcome back, everybody. This video we're going to be talking about some surface area problems. First thing we're going to do is find the surface area of a cube. Now the formula for the surface area of a cube, since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces all the same, 6s squared, where s is the length of one side of the cube. Since this cube has a length of 7, we're taking 7 squared times 6. 7 squared is 49, and 6 times 49, calculator says 294 square millimeters. That is all 6 sides of the cube. If we add up all the areas of those 6 squares, 294. Let's look at another one here. The surface area of a rectangular prism. Now, rectangular prism, there's basically there's 3 pairs of rectangles that are all the same. That's why we have this formula. 2 times length times width plus length times height plus width times height. And we can say, let's say the length is 5, let's say the width is 4, let's say the height is 10. Alright, so we're going to have 5 times w plus, well, and our w is 4. 5 times 4 plus 10 times 5, length times height, plus width times height, 4 times 10. Notice that because of the commutative property of multiplication, it doesn't matter what order you multiply them in, or even add them for that matter. So we're going to simplify down. 4 times 5 is 20, 10 times 5 is 50, 4 times 10 50, 40, 4 times 10 is 40. So we have 2 times 110, and that comes out to 220, and we have square inches. Alright, and then finally that leads us to this weird looking shape. It is a 3D object, and what I'm going to do to simplify things a little bit is cut this right here, and that's going to point out we're going to have 2 of just about everything. Alright, first let me label missing sides here. This length right here is 6, this length right here is 6, 6 up here, 4 here, and this distance right here is 4. Alright, now let's try to mark everything. First thing we're going to have is this rectangle here, and there's one underneath, and those 2 rectangles are 15 by 4. Alright, next let's focus on this rectangle here, and there's one in the back, and it will be 15 times 6. And there are 2 of them. Alright, now there is a square right here, and there's one on the back side. The square is 9 times 9. And then there's 4 times 9 rectangle here and one on the side, 2 of them. And then finally we have this rectangle up here, a 6 by 4, and we also have one on the side. Alright, putting all of this in a calculator, keeping track of everything, simplifies down to 582 square feet. So yeah, complicated shapes like this, break it down. Notice how I just sliced it right here. Instead of dealing with this L shape, we're now dealing with just rectangle. Hopefully this helps your understanding of surface area. Thank you for watching.